Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I am going to do, by the attire you can see, I am going to do a wedding makeup look. So this wedding makeup look, I feel like I just wanted to do one because a lot of you guys have been requesting me to do a wedding makeup look. So yeah, I'm going to do one. And also the dress I'm wearing, it's not a sari. I know a lot of you guys get confused when I wear something like this and you think that it's sari. It's not. It's my traditional Assamese wear, which is mekhela sador. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys the whole outfit. It does look like sari, but it's not. So anyway, let's get into the video now. So anyway, if you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. I mostly post about affordable makeup, skincare, fashion on this channel. So if that's the content you want to consume 4 days a week, or sometimes I just post 5 days, sometimes I'll even post 6 days a week. So yeah, so anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the video now. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to do, I don't know what look I want to do, but something that, you know, just makes this outfit look more gorgeous. I really, if I'm going out for a wedding, I either wear like a kurta set or I will wear a mekhela sador, which is my favorite traditional, you know, outfit or attire to wear. So let's just prime my face right now. So the products that I'm going to use are some of the products that I haven't been using that much on my channel. So yeah, also you don't have to have all the, you know, exact products that I'm going to show. You can have your own set of products and still recreate this kind of a look. So for the primer, I'm going to use this Plum. This is the green tea oil-free moisturizer. I really love this. And I'm going to use one pump of the Mars Take a Glow primer and in the shade 01. So yeah. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. So after my face is primed and it does look glowy because obviously I used the glowy primer. Now I'm moving on into foundation. So I'm using the Sugar foundation and it's the foundation stick and I'm in the shade 37. Now I haven't tried this or used this foundation enough on my channel, but I really do like this foundation a lot. I don't know why I haven't used this on my videos that much, so I'm just going to use it. It's a very good, like almost full coverage foundation and it does look very nice on the skin as well. So this is how the foundation is sitting on my skin. As I said, it does have a good coverage. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use this, I am extremely sorry if you hear some kids shouting in the background. That's just, you know, my aesthetic of videos these days. Kids shouting in the background. Yeah, that's my aesthetic. So anyway, I'm going to take the Sugar. This is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. And I'm just going to put this on my... And I'm going to put this on my inner corners more. It is a very full coverage concealer. I love it a lot. So I am going to set my under eyes a little bit and I'm going to take this ZM, this is the powder and it's in the shade, this is in the shade I think beige or something. I will leave the shade on the screen. So I'm just going to set my under eyes a little bit, not too much. You guys know I don't like to set my under eyes that much. So just a little bit so that it doesn't crease that much. And since there was a full coverage concealer, I tend to, you know, apply a little bit of powder when it comes to my full coverage concealers. So that's it. And after that I am going to use bronzer. For bronzer I'm going to use two bronzers actually. This is the Miss Rose bronzer. Wait, let me just... So after that is done, I'm going to use a bronzer. So I'm going to use two bronzers right here. As you can see, this is the Miss Rose bronzer It has a little bit of shimmers in it, and this is the Sephora Matte Bronzer. I love both of them very, very much, so I'm just going to use both these bronzers together. Can you see by adding the Miss Rose bronzer, it just gives a very, very subtle glow. Like, it's not shimmery or anything, but just a very subtle glow on the skin. So after that is done, I am going to take this Colourpop. This is a very new product in my collection, so I'm going to use it in today's video. I know this is not available here in India that easily, but if you can get your hands on it, get it, because it's so good. So this is the Colourpop Fresh Kiss. This is the lip cream, and this can be used as a lipstick. I'm going to use this as a lipstick also in today's video, but you can use this as a blush too. It's like the NYX Soft Matte, lip cream, but I love it so much. The shade is Baby Doll, and wow, this is such a beautiful, beautiful product. And yeah, I mean, it's totally worth spending your money on. The next product I'm going to use is this Mars Liquid Highlighter, and it's in the shade Champagne. I have used this only like once on my cheeks, on my channel actually. So I'm just going to use it like today as well. One dot is enough, and just pat it in. Can you see it does give a very beautiful glossy look to the cheeks? I don't know how it will work with fingers, but with Beauty Blender it just works so nicely. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm taking this Mars palette right here. I'm going to mix two shades, these two shades, and I'm going to do my brows. My brows are like, I just do like a minimal thing when it comes to my brows, very, very minimal. So now coming on to eyes, I'm going to take this Mars palette right here, and I'm going to take this shade onto my crease because I just want a very light transition shade. So I'm going to take this shade and this shade, mix them together and create a very light transition shade on my crease. So after that is done, I'm going to take this shade. This is also a Mars palette. This is the Mars Mesmereyes, and I just want to take this navy blue shade and put this on near my lash line. So after placing the blue, I am trying to blend this out really seamlessly. Since it's a blue, it takes some time to blend out really nicely. So I'm trying to blend this out. So after I did blend out the blue, I am going to go in with the blue again and just pack it, because since I was blending it out, some of the color did go away. So I'm going to go in with the blue again, pack this on, and yeah, so that's going to be the look. So after the blue looks something like this, I'm going to go in with this Mars liquid eyeshadow in Electra Heart. I mean, I love this shade. I really wanted to incorporate it in today's look. So I'm going to use this on the center. So what I did was I was placing it with this brush, and I was dabbing it with my fingers to just spread the product out, and it just gave like a very glossy finish to the eyes. Now I'm quickly going to do this eye the same way, and I'm going to come back. So after I'm done with my eyes, I am going to show you guys a clip of how the eye looks, especially with the flash. This camera isn't capturing how beautiful the eyeshadow is. So anyway, I'm going to go in with the Sugar Volumizing Mascara. And after that, I'm going to smoke out my lower lashes a little bit, because I use the eyeshadow in here. This is the leftover eyeshadow on the brush. And I'm going to do my usual lashes. I'm going to cut the lashes in half. I already have done it, so I'm just going to put the lashes on the outer corners. This is the Europe Girl Lash Glue. You guys ask me sometimes what lash glue I use all the time. This is the lash glue I use. I will leave the links in the description box, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Since the lash glue is drying out a little bit, I am going to go in with my lips. I'm going to use, this is the Miss Clair lips liner, and it's in the shade Coffee Brown. Now I'm going to go in with this lipstick that I already used as a blush from Colourpop. So to complete off the look, I am going to use a setting spray. This is the PAC Micro Fix setting spray. I'm just going to... So this is just going to make my makeup long lasting as well. And now I'm going to show you guys how my eyes look.